Right. Right. Some niggas get left. They say you gotta be up in heaven in order to see the lights. Contrarily, I'm seeing it as soon as I close my eyes. Uncertainty initially, is it a gift, is it a curse? At first I tried to learn, now I infer that I'm the verse put on this earth intended to determine what it's worth. Piece the puzzle, perceive, prosper, not I'm immersed. Submerged in these words, follow my verse, intertwined into an idea that I'm compelled to concoct the verse. Already at the bottom, so I can't kick the dirt. So might as well grab this pad and pen and go to work. Fuck a 9 to 5, I'm living to the limit. And I've had this feeling that there's something missing. If you're worried about death, when are you living? Are you fulfilling the internal vision? Can you envision this life as your game and think you can say that you're winning? If not, then you got a lot of shit to think about. And then when you go to sleep, you got some shit to dream about. Because there is no me without all my dreams. If there's no me, there's no R.A.P. R.I.P. But you could call me the Ivy. Well, check it, cause I am reviving.
Nevin, your eyes are so red, bro. Your eyes are so red. You look high as a motherfucker. Well, I live high as a motherfucker. Bitches in my dick, cause I ride like I am a trucker. With my trucker hat, like a snapback, running rocket that. Take it back, then I return my store credit and I get a little fee. Bitches with the SED, don't even try to fuck with me. I look at your papers, never try to date her. Always trying to fuck her, never even had her. Never would love her. Take her home, let it blow my dome while the roof is gone. I'm the American dream, never steal my shine, never take my gleam. I'm always with my team, riding for the Olympics. Like I'm ready to get a chipmunky, like he's in the fucking trees. Always trying to holler at me, pick me up some apples. Fruit is ripe, and I don't even give a fuck. I like that pussy tight when I rip it and split it and then tip it. 4 fucking 2, I don't even give a fuck. You need a refund to do what I did, and I don't even give a fuck. I snap your neck like it's a twig and call it branch sap.